everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Zhiyun Crane M3 for review. Crane M3 inherits the compact body design of the classic M series while boasts the ability to support almost all vlogging setups like fully rigged smartphones, action camera and the mirrorless cameras, even over full frame. You can find detailed camera compatibility list on the official website of Zhiyun Crane M3. Comes with an all-new black and white color with a comfort ergonomic rubber handle. The angled motors make a much wider space to support great room for various camera mountings and movements, freeing your endless creativity. The newly upgraded quick release system and axis locks make the camera mounting and balance adjustment much easier and safer. Zhiyun also designed dedicated quick release plates customized to all mainstream cameras on the market. You no longer need to rebalance or reset the gimbal every single time when swapping batteries. Crane M3 will save the time for you and keep you at ease and focused on content creation. For the first time of the industry, Crane M3 introduced an adjustable built-in fill light to the system, providing a new lighting solution by taking advantage of the extra heat generated by the motor, which is both eco and user-friendly. Both the brightness and the color temperature can be adjusted through the side control wheel on the body. You can even put on filters of various colors to adapt to different environments. Whether you are a vlogger in need of lighting or a filmmaker who hopes to supplement the camera's exposure or ISO performance, Crane M3 can do the job. The all-new 122" touchscreen with the optimized IU design and intuitive interface fits just perfectly with M3's teeny body. You can pull all controls over your camera and the gimbal single-handedly at ease. The control panel is designed with an ergonomic layout where users can find the buttons, wheels and the joystick at their comfort, reach and touch. You can adjust various camera parameters, zoom and pull various movements. All gimbal modes can be found on M3: Vortex mode, Go mode, Portrait mode and more. Shoot like a pro with Crane M3. Zhiyun designed a dedicated camera bag for M3 with quality materials rarely seen on the market, with a consideration of both the actual needs of vloggers but also their fashion tastes. With a Type-C fast charging port, Crane M3 supports PD fast charging. Full charge takes around 2 hours and total run time is around 8 hours. You can also use the power bank to charge the gimbal while vlogging. Crane M3 is a really useful piece of equipment, so as long as it fits your style of shooting and more importantly, it fits with your camera. I can't justify the price if I were to make the most of all it offers, such as a different shooting modes and support for smartphones, action cameras and mirrorless cameras. I found a Zhiyun Crane M3 easy to set up, use right out of the box. It seems to be well crafted. I love that it's light enough to tote in one hand and the size is optimal for smaller individuals as well as traveling. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!